Okay guys, to be sincere with you guys, I just discovered this free $30 no deposit bonus account, and not many people have heard about it, and I'm being sincere right now. Not many people have heard about it, and as you can see right here on my screen, this is it. Why atoms no deposit bonus? So let's read more about it. We provide a gateway to professional trading with fast execution, tight spreading, all other things. Okay, so in this video I'll be showing you how you can get a free $30 no deposit bonus, and I want you to know that if you can be able to trade this $30 no deposit bonus, you'll be able to withdraw your profit. It is very legit. And guys, I'm begging you, this thing does not require any risk at all. You don't have to put your money. All you have to do is to trade perfectly and withdraw money. Please guys, I want you to withdraw in this 2026. And yesterday I dropped a particular broker. I dropped some details about a particular broker that are offering a price of as low as $3. You can, the minimum deposit that you can deposit is $3. I dropped it yesterday, and all you have to do is to deposit, and you'll be able to withdraw. I even withdrew, I think 2 days ago. I withdrew 2 days ago. I withdrew $50 because I wanted to try whether they are real before making the video. So I withdrew before dropping the video. Alright, this 2026 is very different, and I don't want you to miss out on the updates that I'll be dropping. And here is another $30 no deposit bonus. You don't have to deposit any money of your own. All you have to do is to watch this video to the very end, and I will show you how you can get this free $30 no deposit bonus. Okay, but before we start, if this is your first time of coming across my YouTube channel, I've noticed that a lot of you have been watching my videos, but you haven't been subscribing and you haven't been liking my videos or showing any sign of appreciation. Please guys, in order for me to feel more encouraged, I would like you to like this video, share it with your friends so that they also can benefit from it, and most importantly, turn on your notification button and subscribe to my YouTube channel so that it will grow faster and a lot of people will benefit from these money making opportunities in 2026. Alright, so now to proceed, the link to get this free $30 no deposit bonus will be in the description of this video and will also be in the comment section. So the first thing you want to do is to go to either the description of this video or the comment section. So once you get there, it will take you to my Telegram channel. And I want you to know the purpose of my Telegram channel. My Telegram channel is where I drop some money making updates that you might not have access to on your YouTube channel. And before I drop any no deposit bonuses, any no deposit bonus or profit account, I usually drop full details on my Telegram channel for my people there so that they can be prepared. So if you know that you want to be the first person to get notified, all you have to do is to use the link in the description of this video or in the comment section. Use it to join my Telegram channel and stay there, and you will receive no deposit bonuses every day, and even profit account, and how you can make money online in 2026. Guess what? Everything in my Telegram channel and my YouTube channel are free. You don't have to deposit anytime. They are totally free. You don't have to pay. Okay, so now without wasting too much of our time, let's dive into what we have here for today. As you can see, once you click on the link in my Telegram channel, you'll be brought to an interface like this, and you can choose to read a little bit. And as you can see, this is it. Start trading risk free with atoms no deposit bonus. So this is the name of the broker that is giving us this free $30 no deposit bonus. And as you can see, they are not joking, and not a lot of people have heard about it, not so many, because it just came out yesterday. And as you can see right here, zero investment required. Start trading without funding your account. It is a live market. This is it. Experience real trading without risk. Perfect for beginners. So if you are a beginner, you can just get it. So in order for you to get it, here are the things you have to do. But let's just continue. All right, let's just continue. So let's scroll up. So once you scroll up, all you have to do is to click on claim your bonus now. So once you click on it, the next thing you have to do is to wait for it to load. Okay, wait for it to load. claim your bonus now. I think the network is bad. Let's refresh the account. Let's refresh the account. So now that we've refreshed the account, let's click on claim your bonus. So since it's not clicking, it might click on your side, but since it's not clicking on my side, we have to use another method. Okay, we have to use another method. So let me find the method that we have to use. The reason why I'm not blocking this from you guys is because some of you might have similar issues that I'm facing right now. So click on get started now in case you are having the same problem that I had the other time. So once you click on it, it's gonna bring you to somewhere like this. Okay, it's gonna bring you to somewhere like this, and since you are a new user, all you have to do is to click on sign up. So once you click on sign up, you can choose the currency wallet you want. So as for me, I want USD, so I'll go for USD. And the next thing for you to do is for you to enter your first name, your last name, your email account, and make sure that the name you are entering is the same thing as the name on your NIN ID card, because you have to verify your KYC, okay, in order for you to be able to withdraw and in order for you to get your free $30 no deposit bonus. So enter your correct birthday, select the country you are from, and enter your password. Repeat your password and click on this, let them know you're a human, and once you're done, click on register. Okay, so let me just do mine and I will get back to you shortly. So in order for them to know that you are a human, the next thing you have to do is for you to complete this puzzle. So you pick items people find entertaining right here. You pick the item you know that people find entertaining. But before we proceed, another great amazing thing about this $30 no deposit bonus is that it is available for all countries. All right, it is available for all countries, so you should be happy that it is available for all countries. So now let's obey this puzzle. Okay, let's complete this puzzle so that we can proceed to the next step in claiming our free $30 no deposit bonus. So now that we are done, let's click on register, because I'm done entering my details. As you can see, your registration was successful. Please check your email, including spam and promotional inboxes, in order to verify your account. So click on OK. Got it. So the next thing for us to do now, and for you to do right now, is for you to go to your email account. So let's add on to our email account. All right, let's add on to our email account. So just hold on a bit. So this is it right here. So just click on it. As you can see, this is it. So all you have to do is to click on verify your email. Okay, so click on verify your email. So once you click on it, they are going to bring you to somewhere like this. All right, so let's just hold on. There is no need for you to be in haste. Just stay calm and let's claim this free $30 no deposit bonus successfully. As you can see, this is your client ID. Your client ID has been created, and this is our details. Right, this is our wallet balance. Our wallet balance is 0. Okay, and this is live account here. These are the things you have to know about this no deposit bonus. These are the things you have to know. So the next thing for you to do right now is for you to complete this 3 steps. As you can see, 3 steps, and we've completed 0 out of the 3 steps. So the number 1 is for you to complete your personal details, which means you should fill in the right details. All right, so let's do that real quick. Let me just do mine and I'll get back to you shortly. So once you're done, the next thing they will bring out is that profile completed, thank you for submitting. So the next thing for you to do is for you to click on next step. So as you can see, gradually we are already going to the next step. So select your employment status. Right, select your employment status and choose in the right thing. Okay, choose in the right thing. All right, so just choose the one you want to choose. Okay, choose the one you want to choose. All right, so choose the one you want to choose, and once you're done, click on submit. So once you click on submit, form submitted successfully. So click on next step. Make sure you choose wisely. Make sure you choose wisely. So the next step for you to do is for you to verify your ID. As you can see, my documents. So I will show you how you can verify your ID right here on the screen. This is where you have to pay extra attention so that you won't be left out. So click on continue, and as you can see, the step 1 is for you to provide your identity document, and the step 2 is for you to provide your address information. So let's click on start verification. Click on agree and continue. So you have to choose the ID type, the document type, whether it is your ID card, whether it is your driver license, or whether it is your passport. But before you do that, you have to choose the country you are from. So as for me, I'll be going for my ID card. So here you have to choose the front side and the back side. So let me select my front size. Alright, the reason I'm blocking this for you guys is because of security purpose. Alright, so once you're done, it's gonna bring you to something like this. Upload a document to confirm your address. The document must show your address. Okay, so the next thing for you to do is for you to enter maybe like your NEPA bill or anything that will show your address. So let me just do mine. So as you can see, additional page is optional. So let's click on continue. So once you click on continue, as you can see, the proof of address is not valid. So we have to resubmit. So let me go and resubmit. All right, so let me just do mine and I'll get back to you shortly. So I don't know the reason why they refuse to verify my documents, but let me show you how to get your own. All right, so as you can see, this is your client ID up here. This is your client ID up here. So all you have to do is to copy your client ID after you've been verified. You can either come down below here and click on live account. Add a live account. As you can see, your account must be approved. So after your account is approved, click on live account, and if you don't see your $30 account, no deposit bonus account, all you have to do is to contact their support. All right, so you can just click on this link here to contact their support, or either way you will see it here. So when chatting with their support, just tell them I hereby request for my free $30 no deposit bonus. This is my ID. So copy this your client ID that is up here. As you can see, this is mine. So copy your own and paste it together with the message. So now let's get back to where we're coming from to know what to do exactly. Okay, let's go back there. Let's click on back so that we can know what we are supposed to do. I hope you guys are following me. So as you can see, let's scroll down here. Let's scroll up, So as you can see, how do I claim my bonus? Sign up for an Atom account, complete the quick verification. So after you've completed the quick verification, and your bonus will be credited instantly. So immediately you complete it, your bonus will be credited. You can then start trading only on live market. As you can see, that's the way it works. So as you can see, is any portion of the bonus eligible for withdrawal? So click on it. No, the bonus itself cannot be withdrawn. However, any profit you make using the bonus can be withdrawn once trading requirements are met. So this is it. Is the bonus tradable? Yes, you can use the bonus fund to trade on live market just like regular stuff. And as you can see, these are the things you have to know. So can this bonus be used legitimately? So as you can see, so these are the things you are supposed to know about it. Thank you guys for watching. If you have not been able to get your no deposit bonus, kindly reach out to me in the comment section. I can only take questions from the comment section. Thank you guys. I love you. Bye.